Hi, class 9 students. Today we are going to study the different types of materials to make a homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Last class you studied about homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means, for example, sugar solution. When we are adding sugar to water, you will get a sugar solution. You cannot see sugar and water separately in the mixer. Such mixtures are called homogeneous mixture. But the heterogeneous, when we are adding sand and water, that is a mixture of sand and water, we can see sand and water separately in the mixer. Such mixtures are known as heterogeneous mixture. Today I will introduce some of the materials and some of the vessels we are using in a science lab. And you know what is this vessel? You know what is the name of this vessel? It is a china dish. Okay, china dish. It is used for exposing things in the science lab, taking materials from the bottle for the chemical reactions and for different activities in the science lab. Now it is a china dish. I would like to take another material, that is a sulfur powder. Sulfur powder. Sulfur powder, what is the color of sulfur powder? We can watch in the sulfur powder. What is the color? Color, is it a yellowish color? It is an yellow colored substance, sulfur powder. And it is clear, sulfur powder, it is an yellow colored substance. And another substance, this is iron filings. That means iron powder, small pieces of iron filings. And I will show you the appearance of iron filings. That is black in color. Okay, yes. And when we are adding iron powder and sulfur powder, this is the mixer. In this mixer you can see black color separately, yellow color separately. Is it correct? This is a mixture of iron powder and sulfur powder. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Components are separately visible. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Come on. What is the name of this mixture? Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? It is nothing but it is heterogeneous mixture. The mixture of iron powder and sulfur powder is an example of heterogeneous mixture. And such mixtures in which the boundary of separation of the components are visible, such mixtures are called heterogeneous mixtures. Then what is homogeneous? Homogeneous mixture, boundary of separation of the different components are not visible. For example, sugar and water. In a sugar solution, we cannot see water separately, sugar separately. And a homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Based on homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixtures, we can divide the mixtures into three categories. Today I will give the definitions of it. Solution, suspension, colloid. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, sugar solution, salt solution. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. Particles of a suspension are visible to the naked eye. Colloidal mixture, different mixtures. When we are adding sand and water, we can see the components separately. Then colloids are heterogeneous mixtures in which particles are too small to be seen with the naked eye but big enough to scatter light. For example, milk. The particles of colloid will be smaller than the particles in the suspension. Only that much. Okay.